The Lincoln digital experience comes to life through this expansive 48-inch panoramic display that's crafted around the driver to be simple and intuitive. The elevated panoramic display brings the most relevant information from your favorite apps into your line of sight while driving, providing more confidence by helping to keep your eyes on the road ahead. The panoramic display can be customized to show your preferred apps and provide information that's easy to see. Now, the steering wheel controls appears on the panoramic display, as does navigation, music displays, speedometer, odometer, weather, and more. Now, the display can also be personalized with themes designed to match your mood. To change the theme, select Vehicle, then Settings, and then Display to change the themes. You can choose from Tranquil, Engage, Inspire, Constellation, and Calm, which changes the display to a simplified view. Now, to customize the panoramic display, select the tiles icon on the left side of the center touchscreen to open the controls. Tap and drag a control tile to a new location on the center screen. Now, the new tile information will be displayed on the panoramic screen according to your preferences. The Lincoln digital experience also offers a bit of fun with panel mode, which plays video and gaming apps to either side of the panoramic display when the vehicle is in park. This feature helps make you feel even more connected while you're away from home. A momentary floating icon appears on the touchscreen when a video is first launched or when you tap on the screen. Select the icon in the upper right corner to move the video to the panoramic display. Once the directional icon appears, you can then choose to move the video to either side of the panoramic display. For more information about the Lincoln Digital Experience features, please watch more of our Lincoln how-to videos or see the owner's manual. Thanks for watching.